Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from Minor Bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati. And Piramal Capital and Housing Finance is buying back bonds for partial redemption of 10-year bonds at rupees 2,000 crores at a yield of 10.75%. These bonds are trading in the market at 10.95%. And it's been trading around this range, sometimes most of the time over 11%. And Piramal Capital had issued a large number of bonds in this particular maturity, almost 18,000 crores plus of bonds was issued, close to 19,000 crores actually. And now these bonds have what is called partial redemption. That is, they pay back the capital every half yearly, a small part of the capital. And with this buyback offer, the number of bonds in issue will come down to around 16,500 crores. Now, the question is, should investors tender their bonds in this offer? And the second is, why are they doing that? Most probably, they do want to replace high-cost debt with lower-cost debt. That is one. It also sends out signals that the company is pretty much liquid and is able to service such large outstanding bonds. And also the fact that as a prudent risk measure, they want to, when it comes for them, they don't want to have too much of bonds or money going out. But having said that, it's given that the partial redemption is there, they are anyway paying back in a very staggered manner, so that their liability when it comes to at the end of the maturity of the bonds is pretty much lower. So investors have to weigh in a lot of other factors. One is the tender good enough in terms of yields? Second is that what are the long-term prospects for this company, and should they continue to hold the bonds? The best in other market, the best place is obviously to know about this is to sign in as partner portal. Come into INR Bonds partner portal, get all the information that you want on the company, to the traded levels of bonds, every other information you require. And you can take your own decision based on all the information that we provide, as well as all the other bonds that we provide with information, and enable your clients to get the best returns on a risk-adjusted basis for their portfolios and see your assets grow. So sign into INR Bonds partner now with the most seamless transaction process on bonds that you can get online.
As a financial advisor, my biggest responsibility is to help my clients make the right investment choices. Now, with INR bonds, buying and investing in bonds for my clients is quick and easy. With my guidance on bonds, my clients are happy and I'm getting new business every day. Register as a financial advisor on inrbonds.com to help your clients invest and save better through bonds.
In other market offers, in other market highlights, you have 10 and 5-year gsec yield slightly down. The Sensex and Nifty were higher. The rupee was flat. And in corporate bond space, you had LIC Housing Finance issuing 4-year bonds at 7.8 at 7.72%, and Union Bank coming out to 10 and 15-year issue at 7.8 and 7.85% respectively. Do not forget to download our app, Quick Invest by INR Bonds. More than 40 plus curated bonds are listed for your to check, see all the information, see the highlights, risk highlights, and take the best investment decision based on your return profile, maturity profile, and also your risk profile. Download the app now for the best seamless in-app investment process. Thank you very much for listening in, and do not forget to sign up for a YouTube channel if you've not done so already.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.